In this video I will show you how to set password router console terminal. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notifications of new tech videos. Open Cisco Packet Tracer. Import router and PC. Join using cable. Router to PC. Click Router. Click CLI. Type in CONFT. No password CLI and router. Click Reload button. Click OK. Again click Router. Click CLI. Type in CONFT. Enable secret password. Type password you want. Line console 0. Password. Type another password. Type login. To check password set or not with encryption. Type show running config. Again click Reload button. Click Yes. Click Router. Type password. Again type in. Type your secret password which you set. Then open console terminal router. Thank you for watching video. Hope subscribe it. Comment which topic video you want.